Good morning and welcome to Miss Elsie's Storytime at Bristow Library. Let's start out with our good morning song. And if you want to sing along, that would be great. Good morning to you, good morning to you, good morning, dear children, good morning to you. Buenos dias a ti, buenos dias a ti, buenos dias, queridos niños, buenos dias a ti. Well, as you might remember, last week we had a story about the bear who couldn't sleep. And this week we've got the same characters. We've got Bear Snores On. And there's the bear. It's by Karma Wilson. And Jane Chapman is the illustrator, the one who made the pictures. And we have now you might remember the same characters. Our mouse, hare's the rabbit, badger, gopher, mole, wren, owl, and raven, and of course the bear. And we have permission to read these stories. So last week we recalled that the friends all helped the bear try to go to sleep because he had to hibernate. So now he's asleep. In a cave in the woods, in his dark, deep lair, through the long, cold winter sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl, and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tip-toe, crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, "Too damp, too dank, too dark." So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop, and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Yeah, I like that popcorn too, and the black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps, Hare burps big burps, but the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share?" "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a storm!" "What a night!" twitters Wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, mouse seasons stew. Then a small pepper flick makes the bear... Hang on to that word just a minute. Let's see what's going to happen. What's the bear going to do? It makes the bear... Achoo! He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping and I have had none. And he whimpers and he moans, he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, don't fret, don't fuss, look, see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea. Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. The end. Well, I've got a song about bears, so we're going to try to sing this one. Bears, bears, bears have big teeth and feet. Bears, 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 what do they eat? They fish for salmon wherever they go. They eat berries and know where they grow. They eat honey and things in the forest, you know. Bears, bears, bears. Well, that might be a new song for you to learn. Well, it is time to say goodbye again, and I hope you join me again next week. Adios, goodbye, goodbye, my friends. Adios, goodbye, until we meet again. Goodbye, friends.